In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment form in Jotform. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable way for people to book time with you without the back and forth. First, let's create a brand new form. Log into your Jotform account and click Create Form. You'll see two convenient paths. If you want full control over the layout and fields, choose Start from Scratch. If you prefer a quick starting point, choose Use Template and search for Appointment Form. Templates are fully customizable, so you can swap colors, text, and layout later. Whichever route you take, give your form a clear name so you can find it easily in your dashboard. With your form open in the Form Builder, it's time to add the key piece, the Appointment field. Go to Form Elements, then open the Widgets tab. In the search bar, type Appointment. If you see it right away in the panel, you can also drag it straight into your form. Drop it where you want the booking calendar to appear. The Appointment widget instantly gives you a calendar and time selector that will handle availability and conflicts for you. Now let's configure it so it matches your schedule. Click the Appointment field to open its settings. Start with availability. Decide whether you want to offer specific dates like a limited event or set a recurring schedule such as weekdays only. Choose the time window for your day, for example 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 p.m., and set the duration for each appointment, like 30 minutes. This is also a good moment to double check the time zone in your account so your slots display correctly for you and your audience. If you have a lunch break or a block of time you don't want to offer, adjust your schedule to exclude those periods. Next, set booking limits. You can cap the number of appointments per day or per time slot to control your workload. If you only want one person per slot, enable the option to limit each user to a single appointment per slot. This protects you from overbooking and keeps your calendar manageable. Finally, add buffer time. A short buffer before and after each appointment prevents back-to-back bookings and gives you a few minutes to prepare, take notes, or switch to your next meeting. Even 5 to 15 minutes can make a big difference in staying on schedule. That's it. You've created a form, added the appointment field, and configured availability, limits, and buffers so bookings run smoothly. Save your changes, and you can refine settings anytime as your schedule evolves.